This channel just got almost 80k subscriber with just uploading 35 videos. Now if you go to their oldest videos, you can see they uploaded these videos 6 months ago. So they just monetized the channel in just 6 months or maybe 4 months, because if you go to the popular section, you will find that their popular video almost got 2 million views and is still running. So you might think how to create this type of videos. The secret of this creating this type of videos is very easy, and you can create this type of videos using free tool. So let me show you a quick result first, that what we're going to create with this method.
Your alarm goes off at 6:30. Not because you're excited, because you told yourself last night that tomorrow would be different. You lie there, eyes open, mind already tired. You reach for your phone just to check the time, just one scroll. And suddenly, you're late for a day you didn't even want. Every morning feels the same. Rush, noise, half-finished thoughts. You get ready without thinking, eat without tasting, move without direction. Nothing is wrong exactly, but nothing feels right either.
I have also monetized on one of my own channel using this method, creating psychological videos in my native language. And as you can see, my base videos almost got more than 500,000 views and still running. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos like this. No fancy editing, no nothing. I'm just going to show you the step-by-step rule to how to follow this method and create this type of channel, or you can just copy a channel, or you can create your own videos with your own script. So let's just start with the first step. So we're just going to take a screenshot of popular videos of this channel. You're just going to take a screenshot of the channel that you're going to make videos about, or get the idea of type of topic you want to create. And after that, let's just open ChatGPT. You can use another AI for like Gemini, but I'm going to use ChatGPT here. Now I'm going to just upload the screenshot here, and after uploading the screenshot here, you just need to tell ChatGPT to give me topic idea on this niche, so I can also get a million views on my channel. So ChatGPT is just going to analyze this image, and then it's going to give you some unique topic that you can choose from. And as you can see, ChatGPT is giving me some ideas based on this niche, Inspirational finance videos niche. And you can see these are the viral routine ideas, psychology-based habits, and some time and life control topics, sleep and energy. So let me just choose this number 1 topic here, because the 6:30 am routine that quietly makes people rich, which can be an engaging topic. But you can read all the idea that you get from this ChatGPT and then make a about to go script. So we're going to just copy this idea here, and then we're going to go to my description box, and you'll find a doc file there, so where I have some prompt for you guys. So after coming to this doc file, you can see there's an option of title. You just need to paste the title that you have chosen from ChatGPT. Here, the 6:30 am routine niche for me, and we're going to just copy it. This is the prompt for script writing, and just go to this where the prompt end with the voiceover. As you can see, copy it, and then go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, and make sure to select the title, right title that you want to create script with, and just click submit. And after that, ChatGPT is going to create a solid killer script for you. You can just read the script here if you liked it, or you can also change it. Just copy and paste in the Microsoft Word and you can change it. But if you like the entire script here, as you can see, now you can create a voiceover for this. If you don't know how to create a voiceover for this, I'll also show you. And I also created a full tutorial, as you can see in the right corner. You can click that video. I'll give the link in the description box. So let me just copy in the entire script here. Then you need to come to Google AI Studio and select audio here, and select the Gemini 2.5 Pro, and go to the single speaker audio. And you can see there's a lot of voice here. You can choose many other voice.
What sparks your interest?
Ready to make something amazing?
For example, I'm just going to use this. This is the important part that I showed in my previous video, that you need to change the instruction here. So let me just give you an instruction here, so it sound human-like voiceover. As you can see, this is the prompt that I also showed in my previous video. And now we're going to paste the script here. For example, I'm just going to copy some of the script here. So for example, let me just paste the first chapter of the script. You can paste entire script here, but for this video, I'm just going to make a smaller version of the script. and click run here, and in some couple of minutes it's going to give you the voiceover. So we're also going to need images because we're going to create images, then make those images like in 2D animation videos. So for that we're going to use WhiskAI, where you can create unlimited images for free. You just need to come to this website. I'll also give the link in my description box, and just sign in with a Gmail account. Click on this enter tool, and here you can see you can describe your prompts and create images. But for the image prompt, you also need to come back to my doc file. You need to come back to this doc file, and you can see there's a image prompt option underneath the script option, and then you just need to copy this prompt here. Just copy the image prompt, then go to chatgpt, then you have to create a new chat here and paste it. Click submit. Then ChatGPT is going to understand your prompt here, and it will say that now you have to provide the script here. So we're going to provide the script, and it's going to give us the image prompt sentence by sentence. So go to the script chat here, and for example, I'm just going to copy small version of my script here. Then just let's go to the image prompt creation and just paste here. And as ChatGPT have the memory to understand anything from the previous chat, so as you can see, this is the prompt, and it's understand my prompt that I want image sentence for everything. And as you can see, this is the first, this is the second scene, this is the third scene, this is the fourth scene. So every image is going to be consistent. So now we're just going to create every images for every scene according to the voiceover. So while we are creating the image prompt, our voiceover has been ready. If I just play it for you.
Your alarm goes off at 6:30. Not because you're excited, because you told yourself last night that tomorrow would be different. You lie there, eyes open, mind already tired. You reach for your phone just to check the time.
So as you can see, the voiceover is pretty good. Make sure to use this instruction, or you can use your own instruction based on the niche topic or the video. So what you're going to do is copy this image prompt here and come to WhiskAI and paste this, and make sure to select 16:9 ratio and click submit. And every prompt that you give is going to give you 2 images. So the process is simple. You just have to copy every scene, go to WhiskAI and paste the images, and it will give you all the images scenes for the video that you need. So just copy it and paste it. So after you get the images for your scene that you like, you can just click on this download option, and your image will be downloaded. And this is for free, totally and unlimited. Now, as I say, I'm going to show you how to create all of the image. So, and this is all for free. So we're going to go to Grok here, because Grok is going to give you lots of image to video section, and this is actually unlimited. I also show this unlimited method in this video. You can check out this video, and you can see all this video that I have created image to video using the unlimited method. So we're going to create the video here. Just go to this section, pin section. First, you need to come to the Grok, click on this imagine option, go to this pin section, and upload the image that you want to create video about. Just select the image, upload it, and just go to the script here. And you can see this, and you have to read the script to make the scene here, because you can see the first scene is your alarm goes off at 6:30. So you can just provide prompt here to make the scene like the alarm goes off. So I just give a simple prompt here. You can also choose the preset here. So we make sure to choose the normal option, and it's going to create a video from your prompt and the image that you uploaded. And now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, your animation has been ready. You can just redo the video again and again to get the perfect shots, but you need to edit the video to make the video more perfect. And also, this is a low quality. Also, you can upscale this. As you can see, click on this upscale video. It's going to upscale the video more smooth, and it will have a more high resolution. As you can see, the video has been upscaled. And now to download this, you just need to click on this download option, and it will be downloaded on your PC. If you don't like the first shot, you can just provide another prompt and just click make video, and it will just create another video with the same video provided. And then you need to do this again and again. Just go to the pin section, attach file, click upload a file, and upload the second image and create the video as per as the script what the scene says. So you get it. You just have to create every scene according to your script and just download it. And after that, you just need to edit all the videos according to the script. Now after that, you just need to come to the video editor section. You can use any type of video editing software you can choose. I'm using Filmora 9, which is easy for me. Now you have to first give the audio section, download the voiceover from Google AI Studio. And after that, you need to paste the voiceover in your edit section and download all the scene that you make from Grok and just paste in the timeline to match the script here. And also this video is going to have sounds, so we don't need sounds, so we're just going to mute it.
Your alarm goes off at 6:30. Not because you're excited.
And you just need to cut the videos according to the script. If you like the full video, you can edit it, but for this, to make this perfect, we're going to cut the video from here and keep the second scene to match the video. Again, we're going to mute it.
Because you told yourself last night that tomorrow would be different. You lie there,
Eyes open, mind.
Again, the next video, and this is the process that you're going to repeat for every footage and make the video perfect.
Already tired. You reach for your phone just to check the time.
And once you have edited the video correctly, giving the video footage exact by script, as you can see, I have cut the video, edit the video, and put the video in the section about the script. Then you have the perfect video. So if I just played it.
Your alarm goes off at 6:30. Not because you're excited, because you told yourself last night that tomorrow would be different. You lie there, eyes open, mind already tired. You reach for your phone just to check the time. Just one scroll. And suddenly, you're late for a day you didn't even want. Every morning feels the
So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. This is the whole process. This is how you can create this type of video with AI, just like this channel. You can also copy this channel if you want. Just go to their video and copy their transcript and make the same videos with different style and different images and different animation. Just follow this method and you can complete any video in just one day. I also use this method for psychological videos and many other different niches, and I got one channel monetized with this faceless niche. You can also do it. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.